Okay guys, here's a pair of very rusty little Ford Falcon convertibles. Borderline scrap in my opinion, but whatever. Early 60s, I guess, so 60 to 63 here. But they're both little 6-cylinder cars, for fuck's sakes. But oh, they're rough. Rougher than a stucco covered bathtub here. But yeah, they're little 6-cylinder cars. Just hear all the rust here. But, yeah. Probably a good parts car for somebody, but
can't tell.
Kind of sucks. They're they have the center consoles in, but the lids are missing. The floors, well, there's nothing left of them.
Rear quarters garbage.
Yeah. Again, anything's fixable, but Casey, would you go cruising for chicks in this car? Or?
No.
No, you wouldn't?
That one.
How about this one?
The
then?
white one. Another, yeah, says Futura on the back.
You should take a nice close-up picture of here, Chris. Another little 6-cylinder?
Yeah, the hinges are a little seized, so I don't want to stretch it any more than it is. Windshield's still good in this one. Dash is all there. White with red interior.
Yeah. It even has the dashboard's covered on it. It's kind of neat. I don't know if that's a higher option or not. I don't know, but maybe not.
This side's, the quarters are rough. Well, let's see what's in the old glove box. Falcon Futura. Oh wow, this is excitement. Neil Diamond double gold 8-track.
At least there's no dildos in there.
Doesn't have Sweet Caroline on it.
We'll save that for later. What do we got there?
Who cares?
PCV valve. A golf gas coupon, $1 off.
Hey, Kate, Chris, it's only a 4-track.
It's only a 4-track.
Only a 4-track.
Well, it's not. Co-op garbage bags.
No, don't.
Regal 8 in. We're glad to have you as our guest. Some wire rope clamps. Oh, that's a window scraper.
It is fun.
We got an SOS pad, a cigarette, and some whatever those are.
What's in the box?
Maybe that's what the saxophone.
Let me see the box.
They're reeds, I believe they're called, for saxophones. You want
Saxophone, saxophone.
to open it up? Oh yeah, different reeds for I'm assuming musical instruments.
Saxophone.
And
for a different car is Ford.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Falcon 63 4-door. So it's not for this car. last was an 84. Alright, that stuff can go back
Here, I'll get it.
in there. There. Otherwise, the dash is pretty good. But those are real short. But it's gone. Maybe. Yeah, stick it back in the glove box.
No, we can't.
Lots of rot in this one. But it could be brought back by some diehard Falcon fan could bring this back. Someone even put a tranny cooler or some sort of cooler in there. Window rolls down. You're already cruising.
Well, guys, if you like what you see,
Hey!
shush! If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. What do you say, Case?
Please like and subscribe and tell your friends. It helps.
I just farted. Okay, guys, here's another early 60s Ford Falcon. It's actually a pretty solid car. It's got some little rust issues there, but it's all the body panels are here in the shop, right? Someone, I think around 10 years ago, maybe plus more, start working on it, and either gave up on it or changed his plans, so it's sitting here now on stands. But it's a pretty good car. The floors, I do believe, are pretty solid. But yeah, again, they're different, you know. You don't see many off here in Manitoba, at least. I'm sure, you know, down the States is different, but
Don't know if it was assuming it was a 6.
overall, it's a pretty solid car, though.
Someone started to cut that out. I cut it out nice and left it.
Yep. Well, there you go.
3 more Falcons. Hey, we're gonna show you a couple wagons in this in Rick's field here. This is we believe this is a 65 Pontiac Laurentian. Probably can't get the back open, but
Old Keystone mag. Like some winter tires on it.
yeah, it's a long roof. Seen better days, but not horrible. Big long dashes. I don't know if you can get it on the other side.
I also have no idea. Without getting a multiple branches.
And we figure what size?
283.
283 maybe. The engine, the hood is seized and slightly bent.
Hey, we don't want to make it worse.
Yeah, and it's got damage. And I'm in the bushes. See if I can again on this side. Fairly rust free. Nope, that does not open. Yeah. So we're not gonna check in the glove box. I don't feel like crawling through this car.
Nancy.
Yes, I'm a Nancy. And our second gem. We figure it's around a 66.
I am not even sure. I don't care. It's a Ford.
66 Fairlane.
Actually, it's a pretty neat wagon. Probably the nicest part of the bargain is the front bumper.
Small 289. And some flames where the wood paneling should go. Old Country Squire.
It even has one of the cool fold-down back seats. Or no, actually, no, this isn't one. I thought it would be like one of the Chevys where the seat folded.
Oh yeah.
You gotta watch that glass. It's a shame somebody busted the back window out. Honestly, people, if you know what year this is, let me know. Just curious. Try to Google it.
I don't know if that's the gas tank that fell out of it.
It sounds like it.
I think that is. Yeah.
Hey Chris, one thing I never noticed, look at these go fins.
Speed holes.
That's pretty boss. Actually, I retract my making fun of this car. It's pretty cool, but I think it's too far gone.
Dust everywhere. The headliner is quite nice. Not sagged down.
I think you need the guys from the ShamWow commercials to spruce this thing up. Actually, I've never noticed that before. That's probably like the coolest part. Huh.
Looks like that had some. At one point, that was a Canadian flag sticker. Yeah, there's no gas filler. It's rusted and fell down.
Oh, yeah, it's right down there. Huh. Kind of neat. Oh,
This is just two of the long roofs, as they're nicknamed, in this yard.
Nickname? You were?
Common nickname,
Yeah, I'm just curious.
since long roof.
Kind of nice that nobody's jumped on the roof.
Yes, but none of these are good parts cars for the 60 Pontiac with the sunroof.
Oh, yes.
But it's quite funky with the flames.
Anyway, hope you like this little video of just showing us some vehicles around here. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.